Again, snowstorm. Hello. Snow. Snow everywhere. This is Canada.
You're gonna have to shovel this time.
Oh, let's shovel.
We have to shovel.
There's too much.
Exactly, that's why we have to shovel.
As soon as I get done shoveling, it's just gonna come back.
Yeah, you need to remove it and then...
Oh.
Shovel, I'm gonna do it with you.
You're... It's not even fun for a Texan to be outside right now. And you want me to work. Oh boy. How much deeper do you think it will get today? Whoa! Oh shit! Oh!
Oh, see, you can't wear shoes like that in this weather.
I'm glad I got that on tape as a learning lesson. That'll be funny for someone to laugh their asses off that on Facebook. Yeah, that too. Even if I was. Whoa. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is insane. And we're here. Now we're in the park as the snowstorm gets worse. Oh. Oh my goodness gracious. Every step I take is that deep in snow. Ridiculous. It's like the Arctic tundra. Oh my goodness. Can't even see walking in this crap. Oh my goodness. Headed back home abruptly because Barry Sanders over here has to get there for the cable guy. I can't hear you. Now we're gonna watch football. That's that goes without saying. Although I can't really say many Americans ever have to walk through this much snow to watch it. Maybe Boston fans, but Boston fans suck, as we all know. You know, some people might think we are crazy walking through this snowstorm, but I think the people driving in it are just a little crazier than we are. Because, you know, when I slip in the snow, I won't even get a bruise on my knee with how many layers I'm wearing under. But I slip behind the wheel of a car, well, I have bigger things to worry about than a knee bruise. Isn't that right, sweetheart? I'm sorry, you're gonna have to speak up. The Arctic air is muffling your wisdom.
I have to walk ahead of you today.
You really should have ran the 40-yard dash at the NFL Combine. You might have got it drafted. You might have got drafted by the Oakland Raiders. They always draft the people with the fastest 40 time. Then you could have lived on that beach in California like you've always wanted to, with Paris Hilton as your neighbor. Wouldn't you like that, sweetheart? Yay, the cable guy. You happy now? We get the TV fixed. I'm going inside. Ugh. My goodness. Whoa. Whee. Yay, we're home.